Yeah, man. E4, baby. We're in a game. E4. Mike is on. Much love. Justin, how you doing, man? George Peabody, Dave Center, Jay Cook. What's up, guys? C6, guys. So annoying. We have to learn, like, the fun gambit line against the Caro Can't. Because it's just so annoying. I should love it. I should be like, this is a chill game. Now we take. He takes with the pawn. Yeah. And now we just play a game. I think it goes probably... I don't even know what to do here, man. I'm gonna play Bishop F4. I don't know what to do. Time for some Tactics Tuesday. Dave Joyce, how you doing, man? Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the love. Justin Conway, Marco Vescovini, ciao. Comandato Viaggio a Las Vegas. Las Vegas was amazing, man. My voyage to Las Vegas. Is that right? It was amazing. I had a great time. Charlie, yeah. I love that. Whoa! Dave Joyce just went up for 2 years and 5 months, folks. Dave Joyce also with the 100 stars. Thank you, Jeremy Steen and Marco Vescovini with the likes. Thank you, guys. Do we play Queen D2? I'm gonna play it. Oh man, good evening, fellas. Welcome back. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I posted earlier yesterday on the stream. I was walking up to the airport. Now I don't think I can castle short, guys. Shh. You know what, though? I could play knight e2. He has no pieces out. If queen c7, I could play knight e2. If rook over, knight e2. Okay, now he could play queen c7. I'll have to take. It's a small thing, but I want to castle this way, guys. And there's no bishop pin that I just push him back, and it can't really mess his pawns up. You know what I'm saying? I don't freaking know. Dave Joyce, thank you for 2 years and 5 months. It's amazing, guys. Don't forget, guys, we have the Chillers Real Life Get Together, the official poster. I always throw it when I'm done with it. Right here, folks. This guy's thinking, so we're going to go to breaking news. Breaking news! March 22nd, 23rd, 2024, Marble Falls, Texas. Just Google Marble Falls, Texas. And you want to be near downtown, and you want to go. Now, I think I have to play Bishop Takes. Let me get back to the board. You definitely want to show up to that, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Whether we have 330 or 300 people, it's going to be sick. So, like I said, the less people that come, almost the more intimate it will be, right? And then if the more they come, it's just going to be a bigger party. So it's going to be fun, guys. We have events planned, so you definitely want to check that out. You want to play f3 so bad. I want to castle so bad. I want to castle this way so bad. But then bishop takes. Bishop takes. Rook takes. So I think I have to do this now. Now if takes, I just take. I get the hopper. Now castles. I got castled, folks. The knight is not pinned. This could be a square for the knight. These could be squares for knights, guys. But before we do anything, we need to bring the rooks, guys. Did you see the Bellagio Fountain Night Show? I did not. Try finger, then castle. Welcome back, Trevor. I hope you had a great trip. Jamie Myers, I had such a good trip, man. Sorry to say won't make it because I am in Nova Scotia. Justin, man. That's why I gave you like freaking 4 months to plan. You still got 5 weeks. You can plan a trip in 5 weeks. You're coming to Austin, Texas. It's beautiful. Austin is an hour away, and San Antonio is like an hour and 15 minutes away. You can see the Alamo. Austin is a totally cool town. The Knight Manunus, guys. He wants to play the c5 thing. We're going to bring this rook. Do I play... I can't play c4. This is not protected. If I play pawn takes, his queen's hanging. So he'll probably play then queen takes. So let's just like start developing pieces. Let's just start developing pieces, folks. What if we bring a rook? How bad can it be? This position is so weird to me. Hope you had a great trip, Charlie. Dave Joyce, I did, man. I did. It was so cool. I'll tell you something about playing book openings. You get familiar with where your pieces are. You play the same ideas over and over again. You see shots, you see things. This is still protected because bishop takes, 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 takes. Wait. Okay. Okay. This is unprotected. Now the knight is not here. I think we're going to come to this square. Just defend it, guys. Just defend it. Defend the Amigo's pawn. The triple's good. What the knight now? The knight wants to come where? Where's it going? Do we just say ungood your bishop? We could also I can't really do that now. I could make Luftdoubloons. He wants to take a drop a knight into f4 is what he wants to do. So should I come here? He could take twice. This knight might be the hassle, man. Maybe bring the knight. Then he can just play knight f4. So he's kind of okay. The bishop is still unprotected, guys, but there's nothing good is coming from it. Black is better, man. I feel weird. Now, this is one of those situations where we'll look back and it'll be like white is slightly better. It's dead even. It's like, I want to do this. I want to do this. That just forces the issue, though. Bishop takes knight f4 and maybe come to this square. I don't want to bring a rook over. You guys probably see stuff. Bishop takes knight is probably a move. You know, it really probably is, although I ain't about that, man. I ain't about giving up the hopper, guys. The hopper's a real manunu, and I just... Like I said, this doesn't work. Well, knight f4 takes, and I can't come back to this beautiful diag, which is he's not gonna be too much trouble if he stops it. So this is what I hate about this extra pawn, guys. I'm just talking chess right now. Give me a second. Can't look at chat. I can't look at chat. You guys are telling me moves. He's gonna do this anyway, but this does make Luftdoubloons. It doesn't really keep the knight out. This weakens the light squares. I'd have to, like, then, you know, it doesn't work. It's not a good move. It's not a good move. Knight. It doesn't work because takes, bishop check, king moves, and then have to take back, and then lose a piece. Okay, guys, I'm going to get back with you. I'm actually using my time, though, to talk my way through this. F3 is a move. F3, C5, never play F3. Well, no. F3 might be the move, guys. F3 might be the move. F3, F4, F5. F3... Dude, they say never play this move, man, because it weakens your king. Bring a rook, just do nothing. He's threatening this move, and it's a good move. Well, he's going to give up the bishop, though, right? He's going to give up the bishop. So, but if I take, he won't give up the bishop. So maybe we can get him to give up the bishop first. This is a blunder. Queen c2. I was considering queen c2, but I don't like the line. Love this content. Best luck to the stream. Hey, Chris Burbage, thank you, dude. Thank you very much, man. Move the queen. If queen c2... he wants to bring his knight to f4. He might take knight f4 hitting. The bishop can't come back. The bishop would have to maybe come to this square, which it's protecting. I just didn't like it. What I do, I put the question to him. I made Luft. You guys like the queen c2? Queen c2, it was on my radar, but I just don't like the line. The problem is, here's my problem. When I just have like a move that doesn't do anything, and I don't love the lines that come out of it, I just burn 10 minutes on the clock trying to find something else. When I'm thinking, yeah, I may still play queen c2. Knight g3 was needed before move queen. John Sink. Knight g3 could be a move. It might still come up. We do have this juicy square, though it's not protected by a pawn. Knight g3 gives up the f4 square, though, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking bishop takes, knight, and then maybe here, and that will help promote. Okay. Now, do I bishop? Do I queen? No, because he's going to get the fork. So, you know, bishop here, and then I might be able to somehow... The knight on f4 is going to be strong. It's going to be strong, guys. I don't want the knight on f4. It's a Neuer. So I could take... And then take... Right? Intermezzo. Take, and if he does something weird, saves his bishop, I could take with check. I'd be down a piece. I'd have to save. So if I like take, and he moves somewhere back to here, let's say, I could come back here. Now that he gave up the bishop, he took a piece, I could take a piece. Where can this bishop go to annoy me? Nowhere, really. I think I want to take the knight, man. I think I want to take the knight, guys. Rook takes, knight, fork. And I lose this. Bishop takes, knight comes in. Bishop f3 is the line I looked at. He's got a hook. And the thing is, it's going to be hard for me to defend this to play g3. Because if I could play g3 and bishop back, and then I could do this. And play for this. And play on the side I have the majority, right? Even though my pawns... Is it only central pawns? Does this mean I attack on this side of the board? I think it's center pawn, so we'll take my center pawn's point. We have one more center pawn to him, so that's not the end of the freaking world. Can't look at chat. Can't look at chat. I can say Drew Nowak, Catherine McKay, and Julie Morrow. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. Now do I just try and hold them? Oh, if bishop takes, then he can have c5, though. But I could push d5. Well, then it gives him a killer knight. Bishop takes knight here. Bishop here. I think I'm taking the knight. Still on the bishop. If he moves his bishop, I move my bishop. When I move, you move. He'll probably come back to... I don't know where he goes. Just lose? I feel tactically like I shouldn't be mixing it up right now, folks. I'm doing it. Do I lose? Bishop takes bishop. I think the other rook coming to d1. Thanks for dinner, buddy. David, you're welcome, man. You have... Look at this, guys. We have a Tetris piece. And we have pressure. If he pushes, we push. This, I think, is good for me, guys. Oh, takes, push. Takes, queen takes. No threats. Take all files and threaten multiple scenarios, guys. We have the Tetris pieces in effect. Hit the button, make it the other Tetris piece. Bishop take bishop, in knight f4, bishop f3, too slow, c5 down. It's a Tetris defense. Yeah. David, you're welcome, man. What a great dinner I had with Feeding Master David Bassett and Dylan Move the Pawn Sardo. You say, wow, do all of your friends have titles? It's like, yeah, pretty much. Jonathan No Love Thrasher. Yeah, it's a real thing. This guy's using his time now. I think this guy's trying to beat me, folks. Now, I'm going to say, I think... Okay, wow. Making my life easy for me. Now, rook over. He'll play king over. No, he can't. I think we just play with the majority, guys. I think we just pretend we can we run our king over here and we win the game with the majority. Do you know what I'm saying? These are going to be hard to get moving, guys. These two in front, they can't even go two squares. They're stuck. They can only go one square. You know what I mean? And then they're in the way of these coming two squares. These four are moving real slow, guys. Yeah, rookie one's what I'm playing, David. That's what I'm playing. Oh, and then he'll bring a rook. Rook e1 drops the a2 pawn, though. And this guy might take it, although Rook E1 drops the A2 pawn. And if I come in, it feels great. But then the B2 pawn falls and protects. Then I can double. There's no back rank mates. Then we could try and double up on the 7th rank. But, I mean, a lot... Dude, that's a lot of pawns, man. It's a lot of pawns. I almost feel like I need... Well, my queen is under attack, so I can't defend the pawn. I can't end the queen. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to play queen takes because that fixes his pawns, gives him a center pawn, and it's a totally different mobility. So I think I have to do this and sack a pawn, and we go for activity. It's better to be... But then I don't have the freaking... I don't have this advantage anymore, but I just have a infiltration advantage. But he's going too, man. I don't know what to do here. I can't look at chat. You guys are too good. Harry Thomas, Mike Da Silva, and Chris Burbage. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. Taking, I just feel like taking is not the move. There's a weakness here. Can I look at it? I can't. The queen comes here. Push the pawn, doesn't matter. He'd check and he'll get this one. And then, and I'll be literally creating a passer for him. This just looks so active, but I have to really feel it. Because queen takes, if I come up, I'm not threatening anything now. I'm not threatening anything. Except for doubling. Let's say he took another pawn and I doubled. And he brought the rook over. Then I can get a pawn. I don't think he's going to be able to defend these two. He can get another pawn. Takes. Now everything got traded. I'm doubled on the 7th, though. And he's up a pawn. Guys, what book? This book said, it is better to be down a pawn with an active rook than even material with a passive rook. And you know where his rook's going to be? It's going to have to cover the square. He might end up getting some kind of perpetual. Sacking the rook. Sacking the rook, folks. Wow. Okay, now it's king over, right? Then when he plays king over, he could kind of threaten the file by playing king over. Okay, now maybe... Oh, I have to defend, right? So yeah. We want to play the end game, guys. We want to play the end game. He can't take the pawn anymore because this is loose. He could do this first, but he still can't take the pawn because this is loose. So I think we're okay. Probably queen takes, rook takes, and then king over is good for him. And he plays king over. Okay, now I can transfer. Maybe we begin by moving our majority. What about that move? What about that move, guys? King F1. That's what I played. King F1. Dakota Comstock. These are little teeny tiny things, guys. We want him to take. Takes, and my king ends up here. But if I take, fixes his pawns, or takes, I fix his pawns. Or if, yeah, that if he plays queen back and I go takes, it brings his king even closer to more of the El Centro. Although he wants to come this way. But this is still more centralized because well, no, I guess it doesn't. It doesn't. So that could be a move. If he plays like queen back, just trade, and king up. And come. And then I have to look at these pawns advancing. When they get to like into a weird thing, I have to see if I can like block one, stop one with two before they get to advanced. You know what I mean? March the majority now. Adam, that's what I did. That's what I did, man. And you know what? Now I think we just trade off and march the king. I really do. And the idea, guys, here's the idea. You say the majority, I don't get it. Here's the idea. If my king gets over here and we trade all these pawns off and there's only one left, one white pawn, my king starts running to eat these pawns. And he can't leave my pawn there because I'll make a queen. So he has to come eat it. He has to keep his king over here to eat the pawn, while my king starts eating his from behind. You know what I'm saying? And then once I start doing that, he starts running over here to get these. But it should be better and faster for me, I think. I don't know. I mean it's not winning, guys. It's not winning. This is just playing with my majority. Dude, this guy might have just freaking. That's a good move, this guy, Freddie Trounce. Do I push here? We create a weakness, but I think he can't stop the trades now. Queen takes, rook takes. If he attacks my pawn, I can get behind it. When he pushes, we just push by. And then we have a protected passer. That's good. I think we advance. I think we advance, and I'll tell you why. Because like if he does something like this, I might trade. Bing, bing, bing. And then takes, and I have a passer. You see what I'm saying? Is it real? Is it good? I don't freaking know. Is it made of wood? I don't know if it's good. I know it's definitely not made of wood, folks. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep on moving forward here, man. Sean O'Reilly, Dakota Comstock, Harry Thomas, thank you guys for the likes. Yeah, C4, that's what I played! I love it! Guys, it's like instant gratification from a top player, and you love to see it, man. I played C4, dude. I played C4 on my own power, man. I get the timing down, guys. I look at the game, I make my move. And I look at chat. You know what I'm saying? All other pieces take, but the king eats, said Adam Dowsing. Eating, yeah, that's funny, man. The king eats. Yeah, they say that in some languages, right? Well, guys, whoa. Guys, we're way too blurry here. We have the wipies, guys. Tyler Damascus. Guys, it's so cold. David Bassett, oh my God. It was like, I think, 12 degrees last night. When I landed at the airport, it was 25, and there was snow on my windshield and on my side window. But it was snow. It was not ice. It was fluffy. I just wiped it off. It fell off like powder. It was snow, folks. And my heater doesn't work very well in my truck at all. It has to get really cold to make a difference, believe it or not. So like when it's like 40 degrees, you turn my heater on, it feels like it's kind of blowing coolish air or room temp air. It doesn't do much. When it's 25 degrees, you hit that heater on, it feels like warm air is coming out. It's really cool. Yeah. So I was very thankful on my drive home last night that I warmed right up. That was the good news. The bad news, I get home, both space heaters are on in my house. I'm like, okay, good, both heaters are on. I walk in, it's freaking freezing. My truck's heater doesn't work, and my truck was warmer than it was in my house. Guys, I showed the earlier stream. Guys, I'm wearing snow clothes. Wait. Can I show you from here? This right here, guys. They're like padded. They're like skiing snow clothes. They keep you so warm. I slept with a shirt and this jacket thing that Courtney got me. These are very warm considered for what they are. They're very warm. And my slippers, because they're warmer than my shoes, and socks, a pair of pants, these bib things to keep me warm, and this hat. 4 blankets, and I was freaking freezing. Guys, the space heaters couldn't touch it. They couldn't touch it. Oh yes, I consider this move. Now he wants to go after the weakness. Now, if I move, he'll go after the weakness too. So maybe like queen to this square so we can push. We can get the rook behind it and then push. Queen f3 looks like my move, guys. Queen f3. I don't want to do this because this helps him push pawns. Queen f3. If he attacks the pawn, I think we get behind it. If he pushes, we push. But if he doesn't push, we might still push and make a passer, guys. We might still push and make a passer. Is there anything better? This is a weakness that is under attack right now. Can he do something and attack both weaknesses? He can't. I'm going to pretty much force him. takes gives him a bind on my majority, man. Think I'm gonna come here? Is it a blunder? You like Queen D2? You like that better, huh? You like Queen D2? Oh man. Oh yeah, no, this is the queen. Yeah, this oh no! I blundered. Oh no, I'm not losing the pawn because he has to lead with the queen. He has to lead with the queen, guys. So I can still play rook here. Wow, Queen D2 was probably better. Queen D2 was better. Yep, you guys are right. But he has to lead with the queen. Yep, so now I can defend. He may bring the king, guys. He might bring the king. I have to defend the pawn. If I push, takes, I lose stuff. So I think I'm just going to defend. Queen. I think we'll play queen. Because that locks his king. He could take the file. That's okay. I'll come here and then we'll push. And I'll tell you something. That's another thing I feel about chess. I hate making isolated passers, even if they're advanced. It freaks me out. His king's close. If everything trades down, my king can't run up to save that pawn, but his king can sure eat it. He can eat it, right? It's not too late. Pierre, Mark Demeas, Kyle Ray, and Tyler Damascus, thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. If you're watching on YouTube or Twitch, throw me a sub or a follow. We are restreamed to all platforms. The chat I'm looking at mainly is Facebook, although I tell you this, I've got a chat for Twitch and for Facebook, and I don't see anyone commenting. I mean, for Twitch and YouTube too. So if you are watching on Twitch or YouTube, say hello. Join the community. I'll read your quote for the other peeps. Well, yeah, he came. Okay, now I have to defend the pawn. I could do it this way, but that allows a check. So it's looking to me like here. I got to move quick, guys. He could take the file back, but then I'll just come back here and then we'll just push. Is this going to overwork? Is this going to overwork me? You know what I'm saying? Takes, queen takes. Queen here could be a move. Defending, and attacking all at one time. Maybe I take. Because I'm going to push anyway. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, his queen will be on my rook. That's bad. Okay. Takes, and push. Or just push. Takes, and he wins a pawn here. So I think we have to do this. He'll be on my rook too. I have to remember this. He pre-moved it, folks. Oh, now if I push, he can't take on c4. Ooh, if he plays rook over, my queen can no longer defend c4 and b2 at the same time. I think something's premature here, man. I screwed up, guys. Something is premature here, man. Something is premature. This isn't good. I can't look at chat. John Scott, thank you for the share. John Scott with the like. Pierre Demeas, thank you for the like. My queen's overworked, man. I can't push. Push. He plays rook over. Oh, no, but I play queen, and he takes, and I push again. So it's okay. So I think I push. I don't know what else to do. Queen b2, rook b2. Yeah, you guys are looking at this attacking his weakness. I kind of considered that, but he could just take. I'd be more active. I'm shoving the majority, guys. I'm shoving the passer. rook over. I think I play queen right here. And then if he takes my pawn, we push. He could be in trouble. Rook b1 was an idea, but on rook b1, he just plays rook takes. Oh, no. I pushed. He played over. Yeah, this is right. This is what I looked at. Now, I can't give up this pawn or my rook, so queen d3 is the move. And now we're threatening to go forward. Queen takes, we push. Pawn takes. Pawn takes or queen takes? Queen takes hits the b pawn. But after queen takes, no. It hits a b pawn, and after takes, I don't have too much. I think we make a passer. That's why this whole idea of the game is to make a pass pawn, guys. Make a pass pawn. Wow. What's cool about this is the queen checks. I just moved it, guys. I just moved it. Is this good? Is this good for me? I gotta remember not to drop my rook. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie Sardo. I play guitar, I play chess. I drop rooks. Yeah. Talking to chat. William Watson, Alistair, and Rick. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps stream. Brings rook over. This comes up, and I'll tell you why. For the checks, guys. Do I have a check now? I think we go forward. I'm going to lose on time. I don't know what to do, guys. It could lose the pawn. The king comes up, we have a check. And so that's bad. He wants to get the queen to stop these checks. Because once my queen comes here, it's game over. Also, rook over, and here could be game over. You know what I'm saying? Okay, queen back. I think it's check, guys. I gotta move. Oh, he trades queens. I didn't see it. He's going to get a passer. He's going to win this pawn. It's not good, man. I blew it, guys. I blew it. I blew it. Now he's up a pawn. Wow. Yep. Obviously misplayed it, folks. My rook has to get active. It has to get behind the pawn to check. I also have to stop these pawns from coming forward. This could be a move. I don't want to trade. He could just push the pawn. But I got his king blocked a little bit. I think we get behind, guys. Rooks long behind past pawns and yours and your opponents. There's a great horrible idea here of coming here and winning a pawn he can't defend. That's dumb. That's dumb. We have to keep the rooks on now. Now I'm the guy that has to keep the rooks on. Right? Behind your pawns and your opponents, folks. He plays rook. He'll have checks. There's not a lot happening there. We got to get behind the pawn. And then I could probably come over and win it. And then he has the same winning idea that I had. I win the pawn, trades rooks. His king's like right here, and his king goes bing, bing, bing. I mean, the pawns do cover some squares, so my king might be able to keep him out. He's up 2 pawns. This has to be just losing. What did I do? You had a draw, but tough to see in time trouble. Yeah, Harry Davies, how you doing, man? Oh, Ricky went threatens. Okay, he just starts pushing. Love it, love it. Now I think we do this. Makes weaknesses, man. This cannot be it. He gets behind it, and I lose. I lose. He can't come this way. Now, if he checks, well, if he checks this way, I just come back. But then he gets a free move, man. It's not good. Probably should have got behind the pawn. I think that's, yeah, that might have been, well, I'm already losing. There's too many pawns. This Tetris scenario, I think, helps a lot. But being down 2 pawns, if these pawns were 3 and 3 over here, I think with this king position, this could be a draw. What'd he do? Oh, he didn't move yet. He should just inch, man. I'm just losing. I don't know what to do. I just moved so I wouldn't lose, guys. 9/10 of a second. Check. King over. My king is way too far gone. This is way too far advanced. King up. Takes all day. King position helps. Defend your pawn. And then I have to do this, I think. And I run out of moves. He's got so many freaking snaky Tetris moves, guys. It's over. Push, takes. I don't know, guys, I have no idea what to do. It's because it's lost, but I gotta play it out, guys. I gotta play it out because we won't be able to out-tempo him or something weird, man. If he pushes, I think takes. The problem is he just runs. Just go here and I lose. It's game over. I resign. Okay, we're gonna look at that because if we can't learn from our freaking games, what do we do? Yeah, how do we join a party? I don't know, man. How do we join a party? Guy played 96.6% accuracy. Very good game, man. He totally outplayed me, guys. Okay. Let's just go ahead and do the start. No. We're going to look at the openings because I got to see what the number 1 moves are in these positions. I played bishop f4 and I knew it wasn't best. c3, bishop c4, knight f3, bishop e3, bishop d3, bishop f4 is like 7th on the list. Bishop d6. Queen d2 is 2nd after bishop d6. Now I'm starting to finally get warm, guys. First time I've been warm with 10 layers of clothes on in like, what's it, 20 hours in this house. It's been freaking freezing. I'm still not going to be able to catch up, though, man. Castles here. Okay, now we have some book moves here. Check. Knight e2. Bishop g4. f3 is the number 1 answer. I just couldn't play it, guys. Let's see what Stockfish says. Never play f3, and you know what? Okay, bishop d6 is equal to bishop takes, queen takes. f3 now. Castles is good. It liked f3. Knight comes. That was good. It wanted queen f4. Queen f4 now before that knight gets there. Okay. Yeah, now queen f4, I bet. No, knight g3. Someone said that. You had to play knight g3. Knight g3 was best. Knight comes. That was good. It wanted knight g3 again. Yeah, knight g3 again is good. But the knight in f4 is annoying. It takes. It's still best. It's plus 0.08. We're basically equal. Okay. That's best. This it doesn't like. It likes king f1. Okay. Maybe because we're going to play a45? King d5 is the problem. Oh, yeah. Yeah, because the endgame was busted, yeah. Don McMahon said I had a draw. Let's see it, man. Let's see it. Okay, wait. B3 was good. It wanted h4. Okay. Best. C4 was good. It wanted h4 again. Interesting. I'm thinking. Okay, that was good. Queen d2. You guys were all queen d2, queen d2, queen d2. I played queen f3. Best is plus 0.3. That was excellent. Queen c3 is best. Queen c3. And if queen takes, the rook comes over. And the queen has no squares. It traps the queen. Wow, so I could have come to c3, guys. Queen c3. If queen takes, it's over. Rook A1. Queen takes. Takes. He's got some pawns. But it's not enough. I didn't see Queen C3. Okay, so I played Queen F3. Then I got to come back. That's why Queen F3 wasn't good. Because Queen A3 and... Okay, he comes. That was good. It wanted Queen C2. Queen C2. Okay, Queen C2. Hey! What was that, man? Jay Coke with 50 stars. Another 50 coming. John Scott, thank you for the share. Yep. Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you for the stars, Jay. I appreciate the massive support. If you hear those stars, what you're hearing is you're hearing Facebook Gaming stars. Facebook Gaming is still alive. In fact, D5 is the best. That was good. It wanted Queen G4. It's just like so important, guys. Infiltrating is so important, man. Queen G4, he can't play F5. He can, and then Queen D4 for the massive centralization. Computer wants here, F5, and then massive centralization. And we're playing chess, and black is slightly better in that position. Okay. So we'll see where I went wrong. Let me look at the... Yeah, you guys are going to see it. It's right here. Oh, it's coming up. Takes. Best. Over. Best. That's a mistake. Oh, so... Is it queen back? Just take it. And what did I do? I played king up. Takes. Takes. Rook A1 and trade it. And then you play for a draw. This is what Don McMahon was talking about. This is what he was talking about. Pierre says, how do we join a party? What do you mean, Pierre? I'm not sure what it means. How do we join a party? Yeah. And then if he comes here, I think we make a queen and say check. Rook takes. Rook takes. Tetris versus 3. Same side of the board. Both kings are about good. Both rooks are going to be kind of active. Pretty much should be very drawish, man. You mean the chess party. How do you join... Do I have my bot up? I'm gonna turn my bot on. You mean how do we play? How do you challenge me, Pierre? I just turned my bot on. Give it a minute, and if you type exclamation point play in chat on Facebook, it will tell you. I just turned it on center. Thank you for trying to help, man. Yeah. Yeah, it'll pop here in a minute, man. It'll pop here in a minute. So there was my draw, guys. But instead, I played this. Takes. And I'm just losing. It's -3. I had to take. I had to know I'm losing this pawn is the thing, right? I had to know I'm losing this pawn. So takes. And attack the pawn. And then if he does this, he queen. And this is -0.17. He's up a pawn, but it should be -1. But it's not. Because they're double pawns. My king's over here, same side of the board. This should end in a draw with reasonable play. Okay, guys, we're starting another game right now. I think we're going to play some blitz, guys. What do you guys think about that, man? I did some puzzles yesterday. I didn't lose tactically so much here as much as I lost to a really bad choice. Play. Online. 3 minute. And we're gonna have to take some clothes off, folks. It's way too hot. It's getting hot in here. I could open the back room door, I think. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it, even with the clock. Because if I can keep these ACs on, like, are the heaters on, being very annoying. Now I have a position I don't like. Bishop c4, okay. Right. Now, am I supposed to play knight takes? I think this works, right? Guys, I got castled. I don't know how to play E5 stuff, man. Why didn't... Oh, I played E5 because I wanted to. Now, can I take? Takes. Take? No, takes. Knight takes. And I just lose. Do we take the bishop? Or do we play this move? His knight's going to come into here. Is it the end of the world? T5 could lose material. Oh, it's a 3-minute game, guys. 3-minute game. He's going to get mine. I want to get his. I'll play for F5. He has no moves. I'll bring this. Come back. Is he castling long? We want to play F5. Eyeballing. Hitting. Hitting. He's like, oops. A lot of pawns, folks. Just gotta move quick. Hitting. Right. I think we double with, this square could be annoying, but I think I'm okay. I gotta move. Bring a rook. You gotta attack the base of the food chain, guys. Eyeballing the square. He's gonna push it, does nothing. Just hit the knight. You don't give him anything. He should push this way. He didn't do it. That's kind of cool. Lose a pawn or lose the game. Your choice. Attack it. Oh no, I can't defend it now. I need to go here. He resigned. Guys, we got him. We got him. Yeah, that's how you play me, man. When my game finishes, challenge me 15 plus 10 unrated, but I don't want to play 15 plus 10 right now. So you want to challenge me 3-minute unrated? I'll play as much as 5-minute unrated. I love this guy's name. JC Playing in a Meeting is his name. It's a great name, folks. It's a great name, man. The bot is now in full effect. If you are watching on Twitch or YouTube, say hello, do something, type something so I can see if those comments are coming through on this chat. It really should be. Ready to reply to messages from multiple platforms here. That's what I'm doing. But there's not a single. I know there's someone watching on one of those, man. Because after I stream for a while on YouTube, there's always a few people coming in and out. Okay, that was pretty. Finally, we got a pretty game, folks. We got to take. Okay, the heat escapes from your head. It's getting hot in here, guys. Man, what's my hair look like? I bet it look horrible, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Well, it's Bad Hair Tactics Tuesday, folks. Now I want to take this thing off. But you know what? Well, come on. The zipper is a little bit screwed up, guys, and I think it's gonna break. I feel like it's gonna break, man. Check this stream on your social. Wait, I got it. I got it. Okay, guys, we're just taking off the top layer, guys. This is for kids, man. It's just a top layer. It's like taking a jacket off. There's fully clothes underneath it, guys. Okay, let's get this done before we burn up to death. Then we start a new. Yeah. Okay. I got to take my I got to take my, what do you call them? Slippers. Dude. These things, if you ever just are tired of being cold, get this. Get it, guys. I'm telling you. I mean, it could be not that cold. It could be like 30, 35 degrees, but you're just tired of being cold. You're like, maybe you're going to a friend's house. You're going to sit on the porch you have a little barbecue or a little bit of a bonfire or something. You're like, I just don't want to be cold. You put those on, you won't be cold. It's ridiculous what they do. Okay, folks, that's the breaking news for the day. New game. Getting involved with the E4 maneuver, folks. You absolutely love to see it. E5, bishop C4, knight C6, knight F3 is the move. I just had a little burp, guys. D3 is kind of made me. Yep, and then we castle. Now we can hunt this down. C3, following the Manunu, the game we saw. This was the guy that was playing Ding Liren. Same idea? Okay, now the knight, it goes like rook, knight, knight. But I always like the idea, yeah, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do like the grandmasters do. Talk to me like grandmasters do. I think we'll come here first. Or do we play B4? I kind of like B4. Now I get this for free. It's no big deal. Right? Now I'll do this. The knight can't come forward. He comes back and he's looking for other Malarkers, scenarios, and stuff. And then if he plays knight G4, I can play D4. Brings a knight. Oh, he's coming to F4, man. Yeah, he's coming quick, too. That kind of sucks. Is this bad? What do you do? Plays D5. Okay, I see pawns. No, I don't. Guys, I gotta remember it's a freaking... we have to defend this pawn. Look at the look what I did. Look at the freaking F4 square, guys. I almost have to do this. Seems weird and bad. The F4 square has freaking been overrun, guys. I have to move. I have to move, guys. I'm gonna lose on time. I think I can get the... no, just let the knight come to F4 and develop your pieces. As a matter of fact, leave this here and take one of them. Wow! I like this way better than what we had. Because of this square and the knight. Talk to me like pawn grabbers do. He's only 2 minutes up on the clock, folks. So we really got... Okay. We're trading because we're up. Now we're on this pawn 3 times. Gotta move real fast, guys. We're up a piece. We gotta make it real active. No. Come on! Attacking. Then I play rook up. Or maybe rook here too. I don't know how he's going to defend this pawn. This knight probably went to here. I'm losing. I took too much time, guys. I can take this pawn. Hitting. Come on, he's got so much time. He could queen check me. I just had no chance, guys. I took way too much time. Way too much time. There's no pride in having a better position there, because he used half his time. I used all my time. He's not good. He's not made of wood. Yeah. I outplayed him there because I was moving at a irresponsible time control, and he was playing to the beat. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Let's play fast. Let's play a fast game and outplay our opponent. Let's stop trying to opening theory. Is it D4? No, I can't play D4. Oh, I have this. Come on. Bishop takes, king takes. Knight check and F4 doesn't quite work yet. We're going to do this. He's going to move his knight and get castled. I waste a lot of time there, but I want it, guys. I want him. I want him bad. Hey, we get to develop a bishop, guys. You should play h6. What do you do? Breaks in El Centro before. Just do this. Get rid of the bad bishop. Look at F5. Maybe G6 was better. Or Queen D2 was better first. Queen D2 also promotes a healthy B4. Good. Now we come here. Come here. What do I do? I gotta move. He pushes. We just say think for the weakness. Maybe come here. G4 could be a move. Takes. Nope, he could just move his king over too. I'm the only guy that can make a rook lift, folks. Oh, G6 we take. Great. Takes. G5, knight takes check, and then bring the knight in. King up. He wants to play G6 so bad it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I want to play F4. Got him. All right, ready for when you are dispo for the challenge. Pierre, you just got to send it. Like right now, I have no challenges. You know what I'm saying? So you got to send it. That's what everybody does. I very rarely look at the chat and talk and say, okay, send it. Because then I'm waiting. And then someone's dog starts barking and they go, oh, who's at the door? And I'm going, hello. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got to send it. You got to send it. I'm giving you all this time to send it. Because I want to play you, Pierre, but you got to send it. Because I'm starting a new game. Starting a new game. I'm going to start a new game at 5, 4, 3. Well, let me be sure it's not sent over here. Nope. 2, 1. I got to go. Yeah, Pierre, I'm sorry, but this is the way everyone plays me. You got to get your challenge in quick. You got to have it ready. You got to have it ready, and you got to send it. And then, you know, I'll chill. A lot of times I look at the other game, right? Now he wants to do this and queen check and pick up my knight somewhere or something. What is it? How do they do this? Okay, we'll just come back now and hit this. And this is going to be our move for sure. Takes, queen takes probably. Okay. If knight takes, I play pawn takes. If queen takes, I play knight hits queen. We're attacking the pawn. He wants to defend the pawn and stay on the pin and defend the pawn, and he can't. So he needs to just do... Yeah, okay, great. So I can just take. And I don't get the castle, and I get a free pawn. Not castling is not that big of a deal, guys. It's not worth the pawn. There's nothing happening here. Okay, I'll come here. Now, knight, and if I take, he could triple my pawns. That kind of sucks. That's why knight, if the knight comes, takes, bishop takes, and then the knight, I work on the knight moves, guys. The knight moves. This bishop needs to get out and quick. Wow, interesting. Hitting the pawn. Do I take it? This is a really nasty thing, actually, I just saw. Damn it. These stacked. Rook over is just probably winning. He's taking a lot of time. He could see it. Oh, he's making me... He's making me save my bishop, guys. Does this work? Knight. Okay, and then I just in this position I can just play here, right? Right. Oh, he wins a pawn. Damn it! I didn't see it. Wow. Oh, I didn't see that either. Oh my God, I'm busted. I'm busted. How am I doing on time? He's horrible. That's a good move. That was a pretty cool move. He's taking a lot of time. Boot to head home for the day, but wanted to say hi. Cherry, thank you. Knight check. Do I finally get out of the checks for once in my freaking life? He should take this pawn. He should have taken this pawn. And you know why? Because this diagonal is so annoying. Yeah, it's threatening this check. So I guess we come here. It's a good check. He gets the pawn too. I'm a passer. And he let my last rook into the game. So I'm still losing by far. And I'm literally going to be offering to trade rooks, which is horrible. But we're looking at our positives. Oh, I gave up this pawn. Well, you know what? At least I didn't, I don't know. It's not even, at least nothing. I totally completely screwed up. I might get to come in here, though. Knight back's probably fine. He wants to look at this square if he can, because it's a lot of pieces, guys. We got a lot of time. We're attacking this bishop. I have a square. I have squares, guys. There's no mate. He's out of time, guys. This bishop is... checkmate. Got him, folks. Got him. Guys, not my best game. Let's get another game. Okay, what do we have? We have E4. Let's play C5. I mean, you know, odds are I was going to get Latvian. Hit. I think D6 was the move there. D6 was a move. I blew it. I blew it bad. Queen check. I really blew it. He attacks. I mean, it's horrible. It's horrible. I kind of did this for this. Oh no, but I can't do this. Guys, I'm out tactic here, man. I really, really, really blew this one. I did this so I could play knight takes, but he's on my queen. I'm gonna resign. It's too much. It's too much. He gets the points, folks. He gets the points. New 3-minute. Okay, let's go for let's go for Grandmaster chess here. Let's try and play regular developing moves while still playing a bishop's opening. Do these people play this? This is not bad. This is like Benoni. It's like the Alberoni Benoni. You guys know the opening I speak of? I'm gonna make left doubloons while I can. I have a check. I'm gonna play it. Let's probably play knight back and then castle. You love that. It gives him a chance, though. Now threatening b4 and bishop takes. I gave up c4 square. It's pretty bad, but... He's got play here, guys. I'm not exactly loving it. What am I missing? The bishops move backward, folks! Let's bring this bishop into the game in a big way. Maybe here. I gotta move, guys. I should have took. I should have took. Okay, well now we'll just take this here. Oh, I didn't realize my queen was hanging. Okay, so we take a rook. And what are we up? Nothing? An exchange? He resigns. I'm up a rook? What am I up? I guess I'm up a rook. A rook and a pawn. Shalom, what's up? Ouch! The tactics were not pure, folks, but you know what? They were enough to get them done. They were enough to get them done. E4 maneuver. Bishop C4. No one, dude, everyone plays an actually F, dude, you love it, man. F6. Play C5, because you're bad. He played F6, you should play C5. Take with the pawn, guys. You guys know the rule. It's kind of what he did in the last game, except I think it's much better for me here, especially with this. With this, okay. Where's the knight go? Here. Ah, he's looking at coming knight. Okay. Your bishop moved a few times. Go ahead and trade it off and help develop my knight, please. That'd be great. Can't go this way, folks. He can, maybe, but no, he can't. Right? He can't, so let us... move. If he comes here, I could take. He still can't castle. D5 is not happening. I think he should. Because I'm gonna do this. We're playing chess, guys. And you know what's a bad thing to happen when you're is to play chess when you're not developed. Okay. And then takes. Oh, wow. Okay, so now just here. Okay, and then takes, and C5. Or C4. He has this. It doesn't do anything. I just take with check. Okay, we take with check. We, take with check. Yeah, guys. It's a lot of rooks. It's a lot of rooks. And then after takes, I am up a rook and a piece. I could have tried how many pawns for a pawn? Rook and a piece for a pawn. Yeah, plus this is pinned. The only way it's getting out, like trades and stuff, right? Mads, how you doing, man? Did you have a nice trip? I had a great trip, dude. I had a great trip. Could somebody who we know, if nobody is watching on YouTube or Twitch right now, I'd love it if you'd make a comment on YouTube or Twitch. I'm scrolling up all XJ's Facebook comments, and it should be that way. You know, 99% of the viewers right as of this point are going to be just only here on Facebook, right, guys? But we are restreaming to them too, and I do have a master chat. And so any of you guys that go on YouTube, Trey, if you're here, if you guys go on Twitch or YouTube, go over there, go to Charlie Startle Gaming, and just comment, hey, man, I found your YouTube, or hey, man, I found your Twitch. But that'd be awesome if you guys could do that, okay? Because I want to see it in chat. Okay, I just want to see it work. D4, knight f6. Oh, this guy. Oh. Did he just play rook over? No, he did that a minute ago, huh? Let's just do like this. He can unpin. Okay. I think black's better. That's why I played A4. Yeah, now, do we come in? Do we, maybe come in this way in a very annoying maneuver? Trade, yep. Trade here. And then I get to come over. Cool. I think I helped him get on my pawn, guys. We're trying to make some infiltration squares, folks. Okay. I gotta be careful, dude. Is my bishop gonna get trapped? It could. It could. Wow. I gotta attack the bishop and get my bishop squares, man. Bishop takes, rook takes. He could try and come in and undermine, but I think I have time. But otherwise, this might have been the good move to save my, now he back the bishop up. Right. He could pin, but the pawn can take. It's still bad. Now his king's just going to walk over. But we're playing chess. And I'm down a pawn. No, I'm up past ugly pawn. He wants to go here to get to it. At the last oh. That's a good move. Dang. Do I stay here? And make him go there. Push there. Takes king up. I don't think I have king up. He wants to go here and here. Oh no, he can't go here because I take. It's kind of cool. I didn't see it. Look at that. The pawn and the bishop hold him out, guys. Now I got to get my bishop, my king up here quick, folks. Really? Oh, I might have screwed up. I think I'm losing this. He's gonna come here. Just take with the king. Now we see who has tempos. If he comes here, I think I come here. And also I have 2s and 1s here. So I think I should be able to win this. Now I have a spare move. He's going to have to abandon this pawn I'm going to take. Right? And then I go like this. Oh, I got so many spare moves. We got him, guys. This was the move. That was fun. I sent a message on both YouTube and Twitch. Is it working? Thank you, Dave Joyce. Hello from YouTube. Dave Joyce, hello from Twitch. You did. Dave Joyce, thank you, man. I have a Twitch. Is it the same name? It is. It is, Mads. And be sure and subscribe over there, too. Just because, you know, we might as well get the numbers up. I'm streaming on right now on Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Yeah, man. Cool, cool, cool. Hello from Twitch. Thank you, Dave Joyce. Good. And if you're on any of those platforms, say hello. You're joining the best community in the world. I do have full chat up over here. Guys, you see the idea, man. The idea is whoever has to move first loses because they have to abandon their pawn. He can't stay with his pawn because it's check. So when his king has to move, he has to lose his pawn and the game, right? He could come back, I take, and now my king can run and steal stuff. So the great move is this. That gives him no more moves. If I do something like in this position, g5 is a grandmaster move. It's minus 13 for me after g5. But if I do something silly like c5, it's still winning. He moves. This is like literally the best moves for him. The second best moves for him, minus 6. But if I do stupid stuff, here's how you ruin it. You go like here, and he goes like this, and you go like this, and he goes like this, and then if you just keep doing stuff, he could come here, and now I can't move without losing a pawn, and he outmoved me because I wasted moves. This g5 move is such a killer scenario because you keep this move in your pocket, you know, and you can use it if you want to, but he's going to run out of moves first. Not always. Mads did too. Madsen, your newest, biggest Twitch fan. Right, man. Thank you. Thank you, Mads. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. I just want to see it work, man. In those platforms, you know what? It's going to help. It's going to help get a little foothold over there. Facebook Gaming is our platform, folks. But getting a little foothold over there isn't that bad. Don't get outmaneuvered. Oh, like I did in that game the other day when I had the king pawn draw, man, and I moved the king away and his king came in. Oh my god, I said to get in front. Oh my god. I did 100 and some puzzles. No, yeah, over 100 easy puzzles yesterday. Because I got this app that has 150 medium puzzles. And then like maybe 100 intermediate and 100 hard or something. Or 50 hard ones or something. Here. Oh wait, he can come here. Do I have to do this? Am I losing? What am I doing? How did I... Am I losing? Is it over? Check. What did I do? If I come up here, like he just pushes and he still gets the maneuver. Oh, wait. I was supposed to move the bishop? Yeah, I'm supposed to move the bishop. No, because the check gets it. So I can't play knight c6. I have to learn this, man. I have to learn this, guys. I really screwed this up. He played that quick. Didn't he? This is like, this has to be good for me, guys. Like, I want to push her so bad. Okay. Get the queen. And a pawn. Okay, there's some squares, but we must develop. He's looking at this so bad, he's not going to see this. He sees it, folks. Just moving, guys. Just moving along, playing chess. Nothing big. He should play knight back. He brings a knight up. Interesting. Oh, I see. Okay. Hit the queen. This is a little bit annoying, but I think it's probably not anything I can't handle. This is nasty, though, right? We got it. We got an exchange. I have a check. I have a check. Get back in your hole. Get back where you belong. Okay. Ooh, I didn't really see that coming. Where's my knight go? Just right here. We're up a knight. Okay. Probably looking okay for him. Pushing is probably okay, but I think I can do this. This is not good, actually. It's really not as good as I thought it was going to be, guys. This could be a problem. I have to make left, too. Okay. Hit the queen. Queen can come in. He doesn't want to. He wants to storm at me, guys. Here. Take. Now we can take with the rook. His queen should move into a better attacking square. I don't see where it is. You could come here, and it takes back rank mate. I told you, my queen is out of play, guys. Oh, he might get a pin. He might get a pin! Queen could come back. This is hanging. He put... Oh, wow. Check. He shouldn't have done that. Got him! Guys, it's so not right, man. It's wrong, guys. It's wrong. It's wrong. The pre-move queen was killing me. It cost me a lot of time, guys. Okay. I have 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, 1.5. That took me a long time to queen, guys. Then first thing you got to do is take his pawn off so you can't lose. Now I have 1.3. And his king's cut off. So I can pre-move. And then you just got to start the ladder. Now, I guess... Yeah, see, he couldn't come at me, so there was no way. There was no way. That was close, man. That guy tried to flag me, folks. He didn't know who was playing. Man, I want to thank... Is that Kid Jackson? Thank you for the like, man. And Jeremy Nelson, James Dalton, thank you guys for likes. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play chess Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. And we have more time. Pierre, oh, was that you, Pierre? Pierre said me. What does me mean? Was it you? Was that you, Pierre? You played good, dude. I didn't know you were 1400, man. 1438, dude. That's someone who studies a little bit of chess. You know what I'm saying? One does not simply be 1438. Trey says, how's the stream going? It's going great, man. It's going great. No, this is not me. Yes, like I said, Pierre, saying it in chat doesn't help you. You have to challenge me. As a matter of fact, I love you, but you have to, like, I don't have my challenge right now. We'd be playing right now. You know what I'm saying? So there is no next challenge. The next challenge is the one that pops on my screen. And there is none. So I'm going to start another game. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we don't make a line. There's no line. You have to send me a challenge, and I have to get it before I start my next game. No, this is Patrick. What does that mean, Trey? This is not me. No, this is Patrick. Yeah, all this time, Pierre. You see, Pierre, what you have to do, just to tell you and let everyone else, help everyone else, you have to have the challenge ready to go. And then when my game's over, send it. And then I would have got it by now. But like right now, I can't. Here's the thing: I can't wait for it because it may never come. But like I said, you've had how long? What? 2 minutes before the last game was over. You got to learn to send it immediately. I'll tell you something too. One of our dear friends, Jessica. This is not Krusty Krab. This is Patrick. One of our dear friends, Jessica. She's a great supporter of the stream. And when we first started playing, you do send the challenge. I don't have a challenge. I don't have one. There's none here. Guys, click that button, join the broadcast channel to get live alerts when we go live. Okay, let me looking, play online, looking for a challenge. I have no one's challenged me. So, I thought I sent the challenge. Yeah, you may have sent it while I was playing, or you might have typed something wrong. But here's the thing I want to tell you, Pierre. Jessica had a hell of a time challenging me. She could never do it. And I told her, and she was a moderator and everything. I'm like, Jessica, I can't keep waiting for you to learn how to challenge me. You're just going to have to figure it out. And right now, if Jessica came in, she's all, I want to play. She wouldn't even say anything. My game would end, she just challenged me, and I get the challenge. So there's a little bit of a timing thing. There's about a 10-second delay maybe with the stream when I'm talking with just real time. But if you don't get to play me today, you will get to play me. We're here all the time. And look, right now, all this time, no one's challenging me. So I'm gonna start a game, and try and get it off faster. Because if you can't get it there in 3 minutes, you're doing something wrong, and you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. Play knight f6. No one played it today. d4. Take both pawns. Take the wrong pawn. Oh man, come on. Okay, we know the line. This move, huh? Just come back, I guess, right? And just say, what are you doing there? Do we take? Do we just castle? I think just castles, right? Oh, I see it because I'm a newcomer. Apparently, I can't challenge title player or a premium player. Oh, man, that's no fun. Then, you know what? Add me as a friend. Add me as a friend. And then we will become friends on Facebook. And because of this, we will then be able to play chess together. Chess develop. This guy likes to move the knight, guys. Eventually, I don't know. It's probably best not to give him the knight. No, because we don't want to lose the pawn. So eventually, the knight moves so many times, I'm like, I'm just going to... I played here because knight d5 is such a strong threat. Now he has to go back. Okay, now I guess we take... No, let's play here. Because they want to take so bad. He has no kicks. Yeah, I was going to take with the... Okay, I was going to take with the pawn anyway. Then queen comes. Okay, queen d2 defending. He could push attacking, kind of sucks. Push. He took. Okay, good. Opening. Right, we go ahead and attack the queen, or do we come here? This is a better move. Because we threaten to win stuff, okay? We take this. Because it's a pawn. Then we can push, and he can't take because he loses his El Quino. The Quino, never forget, guys. The Quino, what did he do? Oh, he developed. Okay, he wants to push. Just coming at me like a spider monkey. Right? Come back. Make a hole. Dude, why do people feel like so... Like, anytime you make your opponent move, they're not... Like, by pushing pawns, they feel like they're good moves. You can take his problem. I think I push here. And then here. I could take this pawn, too. It would be pretty massive centralization. The rook could always come back, but this queen's in a way. Tactics, folks. I fell for a tactic like this the other day, guys. Remember? He's up on time, so I'm going to pre-move, taking the queen. With check, by the way. I'm going to have to do a couple things, like make left. Not war. I can see I'm a newcomer. Yeah, he resigned, guys. He resigned. There's nothing here, guys. There's nothing here. Our opponent has, there's nothing left to see. If he takes, I take his queen with check, then I take the bishop, and then we have queen for rook and safe king versus very weak king. You know what I'm saying? Takes, here, takes. You can maybe like try and attack this pawn or something and try and double up for some type of malarkey. But all we do is probably like, maybe defend it while making left, not war. There's really no threats. I could even take here. He's busted. Yeah, everything's on the table. Yeah. Okay, so you added me as a friend. Cool. Let me go to social. And let's go to friends, guys. What's better than friends on chess.com? I got you. We are now friends. Send it now, Pierre. Send it now, Pierre, my friend. What is the news of the day, guys? Pragnananda defeats world champion Ding, passes Anand to become #1 in India. Prag, no way. Prag beat Ding, bro, and became #1 in India. That's crazy. That is crazy. The Indian School of Chess, the best chess players of all time. Oliver's and Fuchs' top 5 moves, Century of Chess. So this is news. Chess Today. I really think you progress in the 3-minute games. Maybe. Ooh, I think we got a game, guys. We might have a game, folks. Prag is a beast. Okay, now yeah. Now chess.com is acting weird. It better not be my internet, folks. Let me look down and see. My internet is strong like bull. Chess.com, man. It's so funny. The year in chess.com. I'm trying to get my chess.com, but it won't load. Chess.com is jacked. My internet is very strong like bull. It is clearly chess.com. Why is it gotta be like that? Someday I'll be. Why you gotta be so mean? Right, guys? I keep looking. Yeah, no, my internet is good. My internet is good at, guys, my internet is good, is made of wood. Okay, we're going to come to this scene right here. Ooh, wait. Chess.com actually came back to life, folks, just as I bailed out of it. Chess.com. Guys, millions and billions of players play chess every single day. Okay, I'm waiting for it. You probably sent it, right, Pierre? I'm guessing you sent me the challenge. Because I saw one. That guy wants to play me. Not looking for that. Yeah, no, I don't see you, Pierre. Prague is a beast. I really think you. Yeah, you know, I go up and down. I go up and down my ratings and stuff and my abilities, man. There's so many things going on here. So many things to think about, man. So many things happening. You know what I'm saying? In the chess world, in the community, the Elden Ring after dark streams. Okay. We still have time to play, folks. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to play chess. Let's give it a shot. Play online. You're saying you sent me one, Pierre, because I don't see it. I almost called him Prague. Dude, what's with the lag, bro? What's with the chess.com lag? Look at this. It's like they don't even... You know what might work better? This one. Right here. But the beauty is that's not even real, guys. I have that captured. This is a capture, guys. Although it should say that. It should be saying chess.com error. Because, yeah, chess.com's taking a dump, guys. No, I can't because of the newcomer status. But I sent you a friend request, Pierre. You sent me a friend request. I accepted it. Are there any Rapid or Blitz tournaments coming up? Tier 1, I don't want to watch much of Classical. You know what's funny? I would tell you right now. But chess.com? Chess.com is taking a huge you-know-what. Yeah, man. I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to take off, man. I got to work tonight late. And I have to get out of here to... it's only... Guys, only night I work is Tuesday. I'm a professional streamer, guys. Full-time. Full-time streamer. But Tuesday nights, I go out and host an open mic. Play music with some friends. Meet new people. I put the show together. We have a show from open mic people. Now I can't because of new camera status. Okay. Yeah, well, right now, I wouldn't be able to anyway because chess.com won't load. Yeah. David, man, thanks for being here, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna go play some music tonight, and I'll be back later, and I'm gonna leave these heaters on. They're starting to get a little bit control of the house, but not very much. Dave Joyce, thank you, man. We had some decent 3-minute games. Boy, that I need to know when I'm losing, and I need to trade down and trade the pawns off and take the draw. My rating will skyrocket. You just got to transition, man. Got to transition into thinking like that. That's something I need to start thinking like. Assess the position. I mean, when winning or losing, okay, my pawn's weak. His king's going to come up. I better attack his pawn. Counterattack. Yeah. All right, guys. I freaking love you guys, man. Thank you, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Where do we go? I think we'll stop it.